So what's up community, welcome back to our YouTube channel with amazing and fabulous videos. So our today video is about new amazing project that's name is Voice Jora. So guys, let's start our video. Each tab is a step in progress. Our tab to earn project will launch in January. Life does not come easy, but those who have earned and make it happen grow here. Your run is real and every touch puts you closer to the top. Forget that meaningless game talk. This is about our evolving, about getting out from below and building your story. So you can scroll down and check here the boy tapping now. You can see this. So you can buy the boy Jura token now. You can click here and see this page is open. So guys, boy Jura token project pre-sale is live. You can join now. From the hustle to victory, life does not come easy, but those with vision who make it happen rise up here. Your grind is real. Every tab brings you closer to the top. So you can check here the sold token amount, goal. You can check here token name, voice, your token sample, price, pre-sale stage, price $0.03, current stage price $0.03. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect wallet, MetaMask, browser wallet, Trust wallet, Wallet Connect, Binance wallet. Then you can enter here your USDT amount. Then you can purchase the Voice Jora token. You can scroll down and check here the token Voice. Voice is the native utility token of the Voice Jora ecosystem, designed to facilitate secure and more efficient transaction. It plays a central role on the platform, allowing everything to be transacted using our Voice token. Gains with token-based betting, participation in raffles, purchase of products, items, prices, etc. You can check here token name, Voice Jora token, supply 1 billion symbol Voice, contract address. You can copy here contract address, then you can buy the Voice Jora token. So you can connect your wallet, then you can see you are investing, and we can go to this project official white paper. So you can click here and see this Voice Jora PDF. You can check here the pictures of Voice Jora. Voice Jora is more than a game. It's a digital moments of Ascension, a free-to-play mobile multiplayer inspired by Brazilian communities, fueled by the energy of funk and driven by the pursuit of status, freedom, and achievement. In the Voice Jora, engagement becomes opportunity and income more than entertainment. It's a social and symbolic platform where culture, strategy, and persistence create tangible result. Every mission, collab, and achievements unlock new levels of visibility and financial growth. You can check here, you can see that you can gain your followers now from anonymity to the top, an addictive game that turns your tasks into fame and rewards you with real prizes every week. You can see this, so you can check here, you can tap this in here now, then you can gain your followers, you can increase your followers. With simple taps, you gain followers, climb the rankings, and the higher you go, the greater your chances of joining the weekly prize draws. You can see this, you can check here the touch and go viral tap your way to frame and collective virtual followers like a true internet phenomenon. Skin challenges and achievements, podcast, notices, collab 80%, notices 80%, podcast 80%, your podcast 65%, your path to fame. So you can complete your mission now, then make collabs and invest to boost your fame and rewards. You can check here now, so the Voice Jora game simulates the life of a digital influencer where players complete tasks to earn followers, packs, real boosts that speed up their rise in the rankings and in the future can be exchanged for points. You can check here now podcast, we discuss this. You can check here now, you can scroll down and check the task in action. You can complete your task now, then you can gain your followers. You can see the some clothes categories, t-shirts, shorts, pants. So you can select any clothes now. You can check here the car garage. You can see this all the car garage. You can check here the motorcycle garage. You can see this. You can check here the some pictures. You can see this. So you can get the daily prizes now. You can collect your reward, then you can win 5,000 followers now. You can scroll down and check here, you can see this. So you can collect your daily prices. You can check here the some pictures about boys or a project. You can see this waiting room. You can check here now, so you can start now, then you can gain your followers. You can check here the ranking. Imagine a game where you don't have to spend a thing, just tap the screen, complete challenges, and that's it. You are already competing for real prizes every week, totally free. You can see this token boys community. You can see this tokenomics 55% and 70%, 10% marketing. You can see the 10% pre-sale, 5% team, 50% rewards. Now this is the tokenomics about project. You can check here and the roadmap 2026 tap to unlaunch first real prizes in boys, influencer tasks and collab missions. Ranking and achievement system activated, beta launch of drop of exclusive faceless mask NFTs. You can see the customer 1, customer 2 weekly tournaments with real prizes, wallet integration and stacking system, new collabs with brands and creators, NFT of allies, store, garage and upgrade system. Customer 4 introduction of the main characters, closed alpha of the tap to earn game. Community building on social media, validation of tap and reward mechanisms. You can read question number 3, official marketplace launch, character story mode, affiliate program and monetization, themed events, partnership with Web3 ecosystem, launch of boys, start of international expansion, white paper V5 with result and 2026 vision. So you can check here now. We are tired of seeing Brazilian project become synonyms for deception, scams, empty promises, shady scheme. This is not more of the same. You can check here now. You can see this the faceless mask is a central element of Boaz Yora. Its lack of future represents the idea that it does not matter. You can read carefully all details. This is the white paper. You can check here the team members. So we can go to the pre-sale page, and so you can check here or discuss here the pre-sale detail, and next you can go to the official website and see this further detail. You can scroll down and check here the 3 steps. Step 1, register on your website so we can make sure you are in a real person. Step 2, choose which type of prize you want to participate in 100% free of charge. Step 3, grab your BZ raffle numbers and hope you are in the lucky one at the end of each draw. Here your time is worth money and your rush is rewarded. The sooner you start, the more chances to earn big and change your life now. So you can buy now, then you can change your life. The first 100% present tap to earn game. You can see this here. Every click takes you further. Each mission make you stronger. Every progress is real now. You can check here. You can see this tap to earn. Make your history like the great impressor, starting from the zero and reaching the top. With each tap on the screen, your followers will increase now. You can see this, so you can tap here now, then you can increase now. You can check here how it works. You can see this tap and go viral, skin challenges and achievements, your path to fame. And so you can see here now how it's works. Followers are worth money, exchange followers. You can see this, so you can check here the challenge your friend in XI, challenge your friends in one of our mini games where whoever wins takes all the more virtual followers you get by playing, the more money you will earn at the end of the season. So you can scroll down and check here. You can see this all detail. You can check here the team members here now. You can see this all is the team member about this project. Boaz Yora. You can see. You can check here the frequently asked questions. Boaz Yora going to first brilliant project that is listed on Binance. That's our goal. You can scroll down and check here. You can join here the following social media community: GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Gitbook. So we go to the Instagram page. You can see here the Instagram page. You can follow here. You can see the some pictures about Boaz Yora now, and next we can go to the official website. And so guys, our website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.